How fast can you drive in each gear? On this video, we're gonna find out. So for normal driving, you wanna change your gears around 1,500 RPMs. But if you're trying to go fast and trying to pick up speed quickly, you'd change your gears at a much later time when the RPMs are really high. But on this video, I'm not gonna change gears too soon. I'm gonna keep it in the same gear for as long as possible to see how fast I can actually go in each one. Let's see how fast first gear can go. So we maxed about 35 miles per hour in first gear. I went straight to third there because I was really going too fast for second gear. That's why I went straight to third. But normally you want to go from first to second, and then if you want to skip third, you can skip third if you want to go from second to fourth. Let's try second gear now, see what's the fastest we can do in second. Off all the way down. So I'm not sure how much it's showing on your speedo there, but on my dial, it was showing 50 miles per hour, and the maximum I can drive on this road is 50, so I'm not gonna push it anymore. I don't wanna break the speed limit, so we'll have to find a faster road to test out gear 2. Is that surprising for you guys? Gear 2 can go more than 50 miles per hour? For me, that's a surprise. I think the maximum I've done is probably about 35, maybe 40 in second gear. I could feel those more you could give. So this is like the extreme end of the gears. You don't want to be changing the gears like this when you're driving normally, but we're pushing it to the limit of each gear to see how fast we can actually go. So if gear 2 can go to 50 miles per hour, I wonder what gear 3 can get up to then. That's gonna be crazy. So now we're on a faster road, national speed limit. We'll see how fast we can go in second gear. So the maximum we can do here is 70. We're at 35, 40, 60, it's gone to 6,000 RPMs. I need to go slow because this car, I can't undertake them. If this car's out the way, second gear can go faster than this. This car next to me is going too slow, so I can't do anything about it. I need a clearer road. We could still give more. I could feel it wanting to give more, but those cars next to me, I couldn't undertake them. I hope my car's gonna forgive me for this. But I got it serviced yesterday, so it should be good to go. We got up to about what? We got up to 6,000 RPMs. I haven't got to the red yet. That's not my target. I just want to see how fast each gear can go. If it gets to the red and it still goes faster, we'll see. So far we haven't redlined it yet, but we'll see on the return journey if we can go faster, maybe even reach 70 in second gear. Okay, so now we're gonna try again. This time I'm hoping the road is going to be a lot clearer. Still national speed, still in second, up to 3,500 RPMs, 50 miles per hour. This car's going slow again next to me, so I can't undertake them. Hopefully they'll go faster. Everyone's trying to go slow today. Okay, here we go. 60, 6,000 RPMs. Yeah, I think that's the maximum we can do. So just under 70 miles per hour. Let's go straight to fifth. So just under 70 miles per hour in second gear. Next, we're gonna see how fast third gear can go. So if second could reach near 70 miles per hour, third should be able to reach 70 and beyond. So we're gonna see 4,000 RPMs, 67, 70 miles per hour, and there was still more it could give. So I'm not gonna go any faster than that because 70 miles an hour is the limit. So third, in a Ford Fiesta EcoBoost, can do more than 70 miles per hour. How much more? I don't know, I can't find out here. I'll need to find out maybe on like a private course somewhere. But for now, I know third gear can go 70 miles an hour and above. Fourth can probably go way more than that. And fifth obviously can go faster. And I guess we'll have to find out in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.